The Tempozan Marketplace is a vibrant shopping and entertainment complex located in Osaka's Bay Area within the Tempozan Harbor Village, adjacent to the renowned Osaka Aquarium and the Giant Ferris Wheel. This destination offers a blend of shopping, dining, and family-friendly attractions. The marketplace features approximately 80 shops, including fashion boutiques, souvenir stores, and specialty shops. A highlight is the Nanawa Kaiyukan Yokocho, a food-themed park that recreates the atmosphere of 1960 Osaka, offering a variety of local delicacies such as takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and kushikatsu. Who knew fake food would be so popular in Japan? Behind me is Daiso. Daiso, I've been told, is like a Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, things like that. So you can get stuff relatively cheap in there. Tempozan Anipa is an indoor petting zoo where visitors can interact with animals like rabbits and capybaras. How cool is that? It's like a bunny, a guinea pig, and cat cafe all in one. It's on the 3rd floor. So if you're looking for it, it's right by the Flavor Design. Legoland Discovery Center Osaka is an indoor attraction featuring Lego themed rides and play areas ideal for families with children. Attached to the shopping district is a large Ferris wheel, and we're going to go do it. It's 900 yen per person. Now, if you're coming here, you're to this port, and you're not sure if you want to do anything or get off the port, within walking distance, they also have an aquarium. So if you want to just get out, walk around the shops a little bit, ride the Ferris wheel, go check out the aquarium, all within walking distance. I'm talking like just a few hundred feet from the cruise port. this is supposed to be the world's largest giant wheel. Pretty cool, and it's lit up at night, so you can see it during. And this time it's 5:47 right now, so it's starting to light up on the outside, so you'll be able to get good views of your ship as well. Now I don't know what the guy was saying, but he pointed to two different kind of cars, and he asked which one we wanted. In Japanese, I was like, just pick that one. And so it was the line without people, and I don't know what it was, but we basically cut the whole line because we went down one direction that there was nobody, and then we're the next one's online. So pro tip right there, if you see a line and they're asking you which one you want, just pick the one with the shortest line. As you can see, the cruise terminal is literally right there. Now it takes 15 minutes to do a complete lap around this Ferris wheel. Now the gray and red and purple building with like a fish on it, that's the aquarium. And then directly below us is the shopping mall. So you've got a lot really right here that you can do if you're just here for a day and support, and you just like, it's just feet from walking. You literally just gotta walk through the cruise terminal, clear customs, and come right out. So if it's going to be raining, they light it up blue. If it's a clear day, they light it up green. And if it's a windy day, they light it up red. So they color code it so everybody kind of knows what the weather is. If you have disabilities, they actually have a cabin that is specifically designed for people with disabilities so that they can truly enjoy this as well. Where I was pointing at is where Universal Studios is at. So if you wanted to come to Universal Studios, you just gotta hop on, get over the bridge, get off the bridge. It is literally right there. It'd be so fast, you can swim across. I wouldn't do that, but you could. As you look across the skyline, you're gonna see a lot of bridges. They have 808 bridges here in Osaka. Pretty impressive, huh? It's a lot of bridges. Guess they're good at negotiating and coming and building bridges. Well, that completes our time at the Tempozan Marketplace and the Great Giant Wheel. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you're coming to Osaka, it's a great place to come and visit. And if you've been here before and you just don't want to do anything off the ship, then you already know there's these activities to do. And if you're just coming here but don't want to get off the ship or go into town, you've got these things here for you to do as well. So I hope you enjoy your time in Osaka, and I'll see you next time on our next trip.